Let's go. Sibling rivalry. One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just Hello.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Zukosisa Loyiso Ndima is my name, at your service. And that's the Ndibambe show loco
Ngathi shushu kodwa nezibandayo. Ezibandayo.
Namanzi. Hayi ningamamene nina. Ufika umuntu ethe ligqatha ubhobhoyi ngelo xesha khupha amanzi enhlanzini umuntu kodwa lento ikoti glass iyabila apha ngaphandle. Hey, I wonder.
Do you think if your WhatsApp was papashad online, you'd survive?
What do you mean?
Like if someone took your WhatsApp.
My WhatsApp chat?
Yes.
Oh, no. I'd survive.
Really?
Wow.
Are you WhatsApp chat?
Yo, porra WhatsApp chats. Ne group chats amajitas polile. Hey guys, umnenze announcement. Akhondo zaphela phone ne group phone ni nga WhatsApp. La group yasigama la mba. Rija Munati. Munati people. You guys changed on me. You flipped the script on me.
Okay, benisisha ini ge. Benisisha ini.
Honey. Nazi manje. Yeah, zimani gloomy boys trip. Yeah, ayome ngokula group.
What happened? What happened?
Let's grow up, man. How much is that cool for
Does growing up mean less fun?
No, it just depends. It means your definition of fun changes.
Different types of fun.
Yes, correct.
So what do you actually
Go fun with Papa Chinos. Papa Chinos. Yeah, it doesn't mean man.
But you don't have kids, so fun for you isn't Papa Chinos.
Kaloku funa sizokwazi kaloku mna ufika ngigibisela izinto kuthethwa ngoPapa Chinos. Oh, Saturday I can't make it mzubela. Hey, no. Hey, code, ufaka i-code success ngoku. Consistency, discipline. Kumazona begroupini. Men's conference. Hey.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your WhatsApp would make it out in the world.
Yeah, my WhatsApp would be just fine.
Okay.
Me and my 332 unopened WhatsApp messages.
How do people do that?
I'm just
Aren't you curious to see Mom do something like that?
It's not that urgent. If I were follow you up in Angogo, you never been hi. No better judo, but hi. I'm playing it high.
Okay.
Otherwise, shabuzet. Yo, sorry. Neba niqhubekekile ngoxesha sathi.
Bafondini.
Oh, mna ngoku. Continuity. Now we have dead air on the show.
Do you know what I mean? People are going to ask us,
but before you answer that, masiqale evenkileni.
Sneakers go through a lot, from school runs to weekend grooves to Sunday visits. Running out of solutions again? Introducing the all-new Walk Fresh Sneaker Cleaning Shampoo.
Thanks, Mom.
750 mils of pure sneaker cleaning power. Big bottle. Great value. Wow. Clean kicks for the entire family. Get yours today. Available online and at selected retailers.
Ndikude kodwa kule vengile, guys. And I've been seeing a lot of you guys commenting on our little vengile that we have. So yeah, well done. I hope you guys are buying. Let us know also if you have bought. Let us know what the product has been like for you.
Yeah, true. Actually.
Would love to give the guys some feedback there to say, I ke machita nenza into right okanye. Uyabo?
Yeah.
So ke ilo way.
It's been a week.
Nah? Yeah, and we're shooting late this week. This week has been so abnormal. We usually shoot on a Tuesday, but now it's like it's Thursday today, and I'm just like...
Someone took our spot.
Because...
I'm talking to you. What you think this
Because they didn't know, 90 best member city sipu. Uthal singavele sibuke in advance. 3 months, 2 months, a month in advance.
Ah, kaloku.
Like, we book every week, almost like we're not sure if we're gonna be here next week. We're not sure about, I don't know, a lot of things. And we don't remember and we don't know. We've got 898 episodes to go. Then we can start being unsure. Siko 102 namhlanje. 102 plus 898?
1,000.
Magic number.
So where did that number come from?
I'm just thinking 1,000 is a nice number.
It's a nice
100
round
ingathi
number.
mncinci, yeah. 100 ingathi mncinci.
Because I said over 500. Okay?
No, bro. We're already 100 down. All right, dog. 500 is too close.
That's like 20 years.
Okay. Yeah. And?
Oh, I'm exhausted right now.
Yeah, no, you are just exhausted from the week, not from the previous ones. You're not exhausted at all. You're having so much fun. Were you there on the 100th episode? Were you? Ubukhona ngobuthetha. Did you hear what you said? Because I did.
My last words ziyaphela.
Ukhupha inhliziyo. Ukhuphela inhliziyo. I-empty ngoku, so okay, we get to fill it up more.
So funeka ifile up nguwe kaloku.
Njani?
Kaloku eyami empty.
Been filling up your heart. What do you mean?
Kaloku. According to who?
According to you. Ayifondini impilo yahawu ihlezi ibile iyatsuluha.
Ingatsulu.
In fact, ayingodalita ngotsulu. Ndijikile ngo.
How are you?
I'm alright, man. Yeah, it's been a week. I'm starting to feel tired. I'm starting to feel tired. I'm starting to feel like mawuphele nyaka, but also in the same breath I'm like, sure, unyaka ungaphela, but uphela nantoni? Phela for bandi yoziqoba ngoDecember, ndibuye ndi-tired even more, uphela nantoni unyaka. So I'm just like, I'm tired. I'm just trying to find ways and means of just getting some rejuvenation in my life. Uyabo? And I think more than being tired, it's more if I try and get deeper into it, it's more like the repetition. So repetition of something. And I guess that's what tired essentially has become for me, is that no, repetition. Because I mean, what's 2 weeks off of work when you've been working for another 50 weeks, let's say, for example. A year's got 52 weeks now. You've been working for 49 weeks. What's 2 weeks? Do you know what I mean? 2 weeks ke 14 ke ongahlali you relax. You're either going to drive 3,000 k's, you're going to fly across the country, you're going to sleep shorter hours. So for me, I'm just like, oh, maybe it's just the brain being bored of repetition of certain items. That's what this tiredness is. So I think for me, it's just about trying to maybe change up, spice up a few things, which I think might help actually. And then, right, last night I went to bed at 8. Because I'm tired. I'm so tired. Went to bed at 8. Was up this morning at I was up at I was up at 7. I was up at 7 this morning.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
Now Lala throughout.
Wow.
And I thought I was gonna wake up with a spring in my step. And I woke up and I was just like, yeah, that didn't touch sides. But also I've read something that says,
you can't sleep too much.
You can't sleep too much, but also you can't sleep in catching up. You can't catch up on sleep.
No.
Right? So I can sleep the whole day, but I'm not catching up on that sleep. So
because there comes a point where your body's like, okay, enough.
100%.
And when usalele 3 hours, and then that makes you tired.
Yes, lalela wena. What happens to your phone xa uyifake echargeni igcwale overnight? Xa igcwele ngo-11, awuzovuka ku-110, uzavuka ku-100. It only takes so much. So I've been also looking at those kinds of things, been looking at also nutrition. A lot of the time we always complain about things tired. No. And we don't look at the nutritional value. And the argument is that once you feel a certain type of way, it's your body giving you a sign. But Buddha, short-term mhlambi veg, mhlambi awuyityi veg, you understand? Or to short into a teal. And so sometimes it's also things like that are worth looking into. So because I've decided to go to, now I can't just take this thing as I'm tired and just let it end there. I need to maybe look at it a bit deeper so that I don't feel tired. That's what I've been thinking. That's how my week was. And also just getting so angry with maybe by month end and also month end. Sana because of my new lifestyle. Budget, each and every single thing that goes off my account goes onto a spreadsheet. Doing subscription. And I checked my subscription. I've got like 10 subscriptions of like the most useless things.
Like what? I'm asking for one
Some
example.
of these things are just no man so social media. But hey, if you are not known, learn AI in 2 minutes. Ungele $39. What? Yeah. The Bible, learn the Bible as if, listen, have you ever wanted to listen to the Bible as if it was your favorite podcast? Oh, you call me, hey, man, this
Yes,
sounds
I
good.
have.
Kenipa, free trial. Libale free trial. $19. Oh, call me, oh. Hey, ngiyasifunda for free ke ibali lama-Israyeli. Usiyam abantu bakaJuda sentsho yayazi mosilawepa ngemini okuqala kwathi sometimes nyani guys inconvenience is not worth that struggle.
So did you undo them now?
That's Antua. Now I'm only left with like 5, bro.
5 that you use and need.
5 that I use is my cloud storage, and a couple of the things that I use. CapCut.
The other day, I was sent into Kawi transfer, but then Pelela expiry over the weekend.
Yeah.
Then Monday I needed it, and I was like, oh, I can't ask this person to send it
Oh,
again.
what?
Because I asked one dichoganga. So that's it. When I went back to it, was when you go to it, it tells you your thing has expired. Then go at the bottom, do you want to read?
Yeah.
Yeah.
149. Then you're like, is this file worth 149?
No, then it said you can have a free trial of Lando for a week. This is the easiest thing.
Doing 199. Yenzekile nakumlo no levi imali leyo. You chose the yearly package. Oh no! I'll choose what we can doing for 199.
So la 400 is it for the year, kanye?
I think so. Polile for 6 months. So avanza mabathumele kuwe ke mfo.
I was so stressed and it came home. I was like, what? I don't need this right now.
Dog. Again, I'm dancing with Cam Scale of the phone in $899. $899. What? Congratulations for a year. Daddy. Wow. I've been for no scanning ID. What? Then to a picture. $899 for me to send a copy of my ID to someone. And trust, I didn't even use it. Was phone number delete $899 yeah. I so edit pictures. But guys, someone needs to have a word with those people that make apps because CP. CP. Because bro, everything is like it's a trap.
Yeah.
Trap. The way that it's built in a way that it's a trap. Because Kenyani, 80% of those things, 80% of the things that we pay for, we don't use. and uyibona laa nto xa kugcwele ifowuni funeka udelete izinto.
Yeah, for sure.
Then uyibona uba apha ndiyaphela.
So, okay. I'm so mad.
But what?
Love 400 but
At least thumela izinto. Abantwini. Thumela izinto. Oh, that's sad.
I know.
Kuningi logins ke kodwa.
Logins and so we transfer wam. Kuyalogwa yini kwa we transfer? I've never had to log in.
But 500 ungamele login. Yes, sisi. Yo. Yeah. So that and obviously that was also put together when I was doing my budget. Also just seeing other things, those batalaya in general, debit orders, and you're just like, no man, Gene scratch and dent, okay, the claim, Pascal, Gene don. Looking at stuff like that. So it's been an interesting week of like up and down, is in a couple of hundred here, a couple of hundred there. So it's been
figuring it out.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, but that just is one thing that just really ticked me off. Yo, guys, this is financial advice. I think I'm bad. Check your statement on a monthly basis. You're not only checking for the 89 Rand, 99 Rand things that don't come in as in contact, but you actually just checking for things that you are paying for that you actually don't need.
Yeah,
you might have needed them at the
stage, time, yeah.
But you don't need because they all add up just from just a budgeting perspective. I need most my financial advice for a budget. It's only next week.
No, that
crypto. Then can go. But
yeah, no, I think you can tell people about checking statements.
Yeah, check your statements, man. Yeah. Check your statements because we like to always say, "Oh, Ipanga's a scam." Don't know. Sometimes, like you're the scam. Like you have some silly cover. And I changed insurance on my phone as well.
Oh,
so definitely check those things as well.
Why did you change insurance on your phone?
Because I changed phones. Oh. So. And I hadn't changed the insurance on my phone up until then what happens? Exactly. It's a small and we generally don't do that. So it's definitely something that's worth looking at, man, as we just try and look after ourselves.
For sure.
Yeah.
The other day we were talking about, now that you're talking about these scams, about Gwei scam with bank account, you were talking about like people's allergies that are like scams. People's allergies?
Yes. Allergies like what?
Like people who are lactose intolerant.
Yeah.
But they always
so who are the scams? The cheesecake? The or the people?
The people.
I'm about party allergics. Hi, bo. Tell city over here. Oh, you kitchen stuff. Man, guys, hey! Nafa nilikuscream about hi zugina hani ndideye kabale allergic and
but are you still allergic? How do you know?
Because sometimes I would mess around, buy a different brand of muesli. Kandile muesli nehani.
Oh.
Then eat for a couple of days, but because it's not concentrated.
Yeah.
Because it's not concentrated, what will happen is that rash. And then after a couple of days I'm like, ay man, kutenga le rush. Hey, shikon me hey, no makwenza kandon. Then I remember kaloku Buddha upuma irash club hani. Then I have to go retrace my steps, check, but ndichinje ndoni p, you know what I mean? And you feel a health thing. No, let me start using that. Pumi rush mdagandima. So yeah, man. I mean, it's just I guess it's just one of those things. Yeah, man.
Because that person will never take a chance.
This is the thing. Yeah. The rest of us, we don't care for them. We actually really don't care. I care.
We're the worst.
But also, swagil is also just such a deep, I wouldn't call it an allergy. it's a deep thing to have because
Yeah.
there's so many things. Like
That you can't
life
have.
revolves around sugar.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, it absolutely does.
Literally, no. Abantu be-lactose ngabona bangekho serious.
Ne?
Mm.
Fanele ngifuna ukubuza something man.
Mm.
Jake before anything else. Abantu abaninzi bayakhomenda ngesaskipa ubusinxibile seJakes.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Talita. Oh, Talita, she's the one for me. I knew it to support the Ganas. Ganas, Lando. Support the Ganas. The Ganas is the Gunas.
Oh.
I feel like the cherry football. I want their boys. I'm doing one.
Yes, Gunners and Gooners.
Ganas and Gunas.
Yeah.
Well, we'll never walk alone. Well, it's still a statement. Statements are gonna still.
City. Yo, Twitter.
Anyway, so
Walk alone at Liverpool. Clear Tungu. COYG.
see you.
COYG.
Okay, standing for
I'm bringing it to you.
Kunas, yo, Kunas. Something yo Kunas.
Okay, tennis is good.
And I actually am thinking to myself, but when did you become a football girlie? And also most interestingly to me would be what made you support Ikun? Out of all the team
Stop
which
saying it.
chose Kunas or whatever it is. Arsenal.
Arsenal, yeah.
Is it Arsenal?
Yes.
Okay. So tell us a bit about that.
It was a boy, obviously.
That made you fall in love with the sport?
No, I mean, I used to watch the sport anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nje.
Nje.
But ungengomlandeli.
Not Taba.
Okay. Le nto sikhuleka lokhu sisupporta iChiefs.
They say
Man
Chiefs.
United.
That go. So she support Man United?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like,
Man kaloku endlini yayisupport Man U.
really? I don't remember that at
Yeah.
all. Yeah, but then there was some boy, I can't even remember who it was,
Who really loved it?
who really loved the team, yes.
Ikunas.
Mm.
Oh.
And then ngicela naye ke. And then obviously now you get excited. Now you're like, oh, our team's playing, baby.
Oh. Yeah.
And then Malubuza ke now, ngubani lo?
Akufuneka kwafunda kubhale ihombo sabe isikipeni back. Yeah, ncane nokuncane.
Kaloku mekuzenze umuntu ongaziyo kaloku oyathanda uncedisa umuntu engibeka ngathi umuntu okayazi into.
Oh, yes,
Athanda
of
ufeel helpful. So xa usithi xa kusithiwa offside kuthethetheni baby. Hayi ke ubona umuntu abebusy. Kaloku umuntu wami ndokubalisele work.
Baliselwe into ongayiviyo ubajonga. Yabona masiyabona masiyafi yaba le. Le yafi yaba. Abebuza silly question noma uthanda bedlala kuyafi yaba. Hey, brother. Hey, two for love and you try everything.
Yeah, that's literally it.
And then you Nancy got the team and then still you continue to support the team.
Despite what?
Despite kaloku uba umuntu usekhona kanye akasekho.
Kaloku, this is the thing. You can't just change teams.
Why?
Because that's not what being a fan is. Being a fan is being there through the dark times
okay.
and the
Okay,
and
so
the happy
you fan
time.
your team essentially, or you're fan your players.
The team is made up of players.
Correct. And those players leave and they do all, like a lot of people who we thought were Mercedes are not Mercedes with Formula One. They are actually Ferrari or they are Lewis Hamilton fans.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean?
True.
So people switch all the time.
No, I mean, if Umdu Wako has left the team, that doesn't mean you leave the team.
Oh, okay.
You stay with the team.
Okay.
And you might be like, okay,
Oh, okay.
but you don't leave the team.
Okay. And the alcohol was a sport.
No, xa ungumlandeli wamanyani, you don't leave the team. Oh no, to this month Sundowns, and then next season Pirates. That's not a real thing.
Okay. That's interesting. Especially because I know, like a lot of women that I know, they'll wear t-shirts and because the apparel is cool.
Yeah.
But it's not necessarily anything that they know anything. You understand?
Yeah.
So
Kumdu wami.
yeah, understand. But ke wena I see about there. You're deep in, like you watch football statuses are because bane football. You know, but no, yabo. So I always find it very interesting.
Yeah.
Are there any shows like podcasts and stuff with females? Not yegi sports presenters, but khona lana masi podcast. Ezinye podcast amathi day 2 athetha ngefootball iphele 2 hours kuthethwa ngebhola.
I haven't seen.
Is it?
No.
Would you go as far as to participate in one?
No, I don't think so. I don't think I care enough.
Okay, because you don't care about the whole ecosystem.
Yeah, I mean, I know about the ecosystem, but I don't care enough to sit somewhere. Because that's what people who talk about people who talk about football.
Okay.
Yeah, you've seen it though.
No, I haven't.
You haven't. Have you ever seen two people talk about football and they're agreeing on everything? Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, me too.
Oh, yeah, in life in general.
But did you see last week? We bonile like keeper or whoever. No one's ever on the same team.
Oh, okay, got you.
And I don't think I care enough to like argue my point.
Do you think you know enough? Who's your favorite player?
Oh my gosh, how did this become about me? I definitely think I know enough to get by for sure. Like I could have a conversation for sure. Ingabingati.
Who's your favorite player? It just interests me to hear you talk about football.
Right now, Saka. Saka's on my in my team.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
he's
then
amazing.
And now what the FA League is
Really? Yes.
UEFA.
So the Champions League's on right now is idlalwa phakathi evekini mostly. And then the Premier League, Britain, English Premier League idlalwa during the weekends.
Oh, idlalwa weekends, yo. And during the week udlala
Champions League.
Oh, okay. And that's mostly the same teams.
Yeah, I mean the Premier League is just the English teams.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And then
the Premier League is everyone else.
Iteam yakho ngeyaphi yona?
Yes, England.
Okay. Bandawoni kwi Premier League lock.
We're number 1, I think, right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're number 1.
How many points?
I don't know currently at the moment. But
it doesn't matter when you're number 1 also.
It always
and
matters.
Because
points. You're always number 1 at some point and then number 2 all the time.
Oh, okay.
But there's hope this time around.
Okay, ngobani yung arch rivals zenu?
Zonke.
Yeah, okay.
Zonke is rivals zethu. Okay. But right now on top is Liverpool, us. Man U's not even in the top 3 anymore. And Chelsea.
Okay. Okay. No, it's fun. It's just something that I was thinking about when I was seeing you wearing the top. But I've actually never really asked to tell it because I'm not interested in it, right? I've never really asked you to say my interest yako yambi pelepi. But I think I've got a firm understanding now in terms of like.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's also been just a cool community to have of Abantu that you can on the weekend be like, so bugela big game.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, which is always nice because then you also just get to hang out. With people. Instead of like, Wambu your driver.
Sure. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
And asifuni yazi asifuni uhambe ebusuku and asifuni ungalala emakhaya. The problem is that we just want a community.
Yes.
And that's what I think a lot of people don't understand.
100%.
Is that when you don't have an option, I know, but there are people who are sitting in a certain place and they're all having fun.
Because they have this one thing that they're both
because of the one thing that they're both enjoying, then your options become very limited. Hence why wow, the structure. You understand?
Kalifuna malapha.
Yeah, because also it's boring here. You're like, you want to be in my skin. Okay. Since I know anyway.
Boring for me. You're having fun. What about me?
What about me? So I think
That's your phone, Yako.
that's also very, very, very key or very interesting for us to note as people in general. Ufuna no.
Internet.
Oh, uzojonga ntoni internet yini?
Kavule.
Hey, ufuna internet?
Awunayo.
Kala ufuna uchazela abahlali internet yanayo. Not data. You're joking.
But so outside of we're not doing what going to work and running, I mean that's a community thing.
Yeah.
Are you kwenyinto mhlambi ni bring her together nabanye abantu?
No, hey, not really.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so sad.
What?
And you're helping alone.
Central. Also, these things take time. That's one thing that we must realize and understand. But these things take time. And in them taking time, how much time do you spend on footy? Do you know what I mean? How much time do you spend on running? Then that doesn't leave room for other things in your life that you need to do. Because also, group activity and work, which is probably at 8 hours a day. Then you have running. That community also, let's maybe call it an hour and a half to 2 hours a day. Then you have relationships in your life and friendships, which also take up their own time. So you end up not having that time.
Sure.
Because then when do you have your personal time? So also being part of too many communities
has been filled up.
Yes, I think so. I think largely all of my time has been filled up. Because you can only really, I feel like you can only really take on one like extramural thing.
I always forget this.
Yeah,
I mean, you can take on as many as you want.
Yes, but they fill up your time then. Then that's why I want to partners zabo and don't.
Because we're now ufuna snooker.
Correct. If awudlala snooker when ubukela ibhola, if awubukela ngabhola utintin. Also like so then there's also like church and then all those things that happen around there. Then there's cell group. No. So just like I feel like it's really time is into engekhoyo. And the more things that you are involved in, the less time you have.
Sure.
Yeah,
okay.
But I remember sisakhula phone yakumbula. Hey, and also it's our fault because we also don't make time for these important things. Yakumbula sisakhula phone sipati and a couples club. Where parents used to plan together with their friends. Uba mchana, and also we used to go out when? Once in 6 months or once a year?
Maybe once or twice a year at most.
You understand?
Yeah.
And Tina, now we want to think, but no, you must go out with your friends every day.
Every weekend.
You can't. It's absolutely not possible. No. It's not something that can be done. Just based on what time looks like as a construct. So, it becomes a tricky
true.
one.
It's nice to also have something that or like football like bopheleli. Like if I didn't watch last week's game with anyone.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, this is not nabantu umuntu abethe.
Benlele.
Yeah. Ejonge unansika abeskrima yedwa.
I'm just saying benlele.
Okay.
So it's not like something if you miss it, then you miss anything. You can always catch up or whatever. It's a very low hanging fruit in the community department.
Oh yes.
Usio white jingo, come on, you gunners.
Indoni?
Come on, you gunners.
Oh, okay. That's what you're looking for.
No, I was looking for who our rival is.
Okay.
This Tottenham Spurs. I didn't know that.
Tottenham Hotspur. Does no one was a makam. I'm such a fraud when it comes to that kind of thing.
I think I am too, because I'm not going to get involved in like a full-on thing. I'm just going to be like, yeah, that sucked. He sucked, yeah. He could have played better. I don't know. But like Jay, not Taba.
Yeah.
Now I'm in the coach's mind.
100%. 100%. I think what I want us to talk about, because this is coming up near end of November.
Yes. Oh, we're so far ahead now.
Yeah. And I just want to catch up with you since we've got like 10 minutes left. I just want to catch up with you in terms of December. Do you have plans?
No.
Ndiyafuna ndirhalo kazi plans. Ndibuza italenta nebona ndifuna ukubuza nina. Ndirhalo zazi plans zenu. You don't have plans for December?
No, and so shlala up.
Oh, okay, but mom's coming.
I know.
So that's going to be pretty cool as well. Nah, ndikayazi uba ndifuna uthini. I know that I need to sit at home, save money, but
Usacinga ntoni ke that's the plan.
ndisacima ndithini because attending a wedding on the 17th of December eMthatha. Now I'm just like, what an awkward time to go to the Eastern Cape and
then come
back. So I'm like, to stay, not to stay. Yo.
Stay and do what?
Oh,
Because staying is spending money.
Uyabutha kalo.
Ukbuta is spending money.
You spend money.
You spend money,
Yeah.
dude, when you're not.
So I'm also just like in the planning phase, like, and I feel like there's people who planned so meticulously. Sebezazi bona ba hiking a minute because we just got an email emsebenzini ngixela ba sayigqibele so spanner. I think 15 is the first day of leave. Then we're gonna be on leave like 2-3 weeks, and I'm just like, yo, that's a rather long time. I wonder what I'm gonna do with myself.
No, andindawo dog. Zobe ndikhona ndihleli apha.
Okay.
I'd really like to go somewhere like in Jan, like end of Jan.
Okay.
Yeah, if possible.
Go Paul. Okay.
But December, like the older I get, the more I'm just like, what
It's
a
too much?
Waste of time. And oh, come on, bro. Waste of time and money.
Especially after you figured out by choices what you was uzitya na phakathi.
Yeah, the more I'm just like, guys, into lesiyenzayo sonke at the same time, siphinde sibuye every year, same time.
Spending time together. Don't you
Yeah,
think?
but we come back tired. We come back with less money. We come back and ingathi cups have been taken away from.
Absolutely.
Yes, maybe your heart cup is full because buhleli nabazukulwane no malume no ndondoni. But no, bro. And then siyaputuzela sonke sihamba indawo eziyi-1. Oh, no.
Yeah, smells like nini gotcha.
Simenza like, oh, no. So I just want my own timeline for December, not the timeline of December.
So peace of mind then essentially has moved up in your hierarchy of needs massively.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If I did nothing that had to do with December during December, I'd be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair. Because I celebrating Christmas. So relax. And it's gonna be so nice and quiet here, Joe. But now
it always is. But I'm also just like, no, man. The way we spend money in December is not. It's not something that we choose necessarily. It's just something that happens to us.
Okay. And in the efforts of trying to spend time together, because you spend money on dinners and traveling, it's not like, well, abanye bayathenga because sale yafika enhloko.
No, for sure, and I totally understand Lando, but wonke umuntu is going to be off, so wonke umuntu uzaba khona, so you want to be with everyone. I totally get that, but then I've seen now people will go home, benza yonke lonto, then after 25, nowhere to be found endlini, basestradweni, spending so much money, like so much money. Let's go to Cape Town, guys. Oh, that's wild. What December?
Kuyasiqubula imoto phone clean up.
Eyami imoto. We got next week. That's a baby girl.
Yeah, come on. Ndingaphumi na kwi-city.
So, nothing for you?
Yeah, no, I think I'm just going to go to the wedding, but I don't have anything. I'm not pressed for anything.
Okay, let us know, guys. Never nenza ntoni nina this December.
Can you sibaliseleni, man? Aba bane plans is nice. Naba bangene plans ezingekho nice. Hallelujah.
Banozothi ezami plans ezingekho nice.
Correct. Or what your strategy is and how you handle that and how you go through all of that. That'd be very interesting for me to know.
And if your strategy has changed, or if there's a part of you that's going, I don't want to do it like the way I've been doing it, or if you've already started not doing it the normal way, let us know what it is that you do differently and why it is that you do it.
100%. No, perfect. And I think also maybe before we end off, we must just talk about what our strategy is during December to sensitize the viewers in terms of what's going to happen.
Guys, we're gonna go on a break. We're definitely gonna go on a break. Firstly, because the studio goes on a break where we shoot our home. And secondly, because we actually do need to take a break as well, just to like recoup. Sibuye ngengqondo ezifresh, ne-ideas ezifresh ezinjalo.
Ne-topic.
So we're definitely taking a break. What it looks like right now is just before Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Organizer it. That's why Mamili. Yes. HR just before Christmas.
Yeah, just before Christmas, and then
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Sure, probably if it's just before Christmas, it'll probably be like a good 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So buya kwenu nani wendaweni yakho.
Yes.
So okay. So mana sinkhumbuza just in case nilibale, but sizothatha nathi break aqona shome. And that time ngotyana sasinibuzile basiyithatha i-break now vuma nonke.
Siyabulela.
Siyabulela ngathi
ngalokho. Yeah, so we'll be on that. That's basically going to be for a couple of weeks in December into January, and then we'll come back refocused, re-nansikat, and ready for the new year. So but we'll say our goodbyes when we need to say our goodbyes.
For sure.
Yeah. So we can basically also then say goodbye on the show. Cheba nibona man sitiniwe. Niyibona kwale nibonile le show? Sitiniwe ma.
Ndim lodini exoleni guys. Ngila.
Tired.
Yeah, so sometimes, someone's got to pick up the dead weight.
Pick up the pieces.
We'll see you guys next week. Same time, same place. Are you going?
Yeah, you know what it is. I know. Sikona slapa. Sikona nagi bling line. Sikona yongindaw.
Don't forget. Love each other.